Yes! Hey everyone, I'm Carolyn Beasley. I'm in the Dampier Archipelago. I'm on a 5-day kayaking trip with Exmouth Adventure Co. This is my stuff for the next 5 days. There's that point over there. Just up. Holy. Oh, there's the mum. Hey Neil, how's the coffee going? Here we go folks, we're about to paddle off for day 3. Today we're exploring Collier Rocks and then going around to the north of Dolphin Island. Check out these amazing petroglyphs.
And here, you got eagle legs and kangaroo footprints.
I've got my long sleeve rashi, my hat with a very sexy flap at the back. I've got my PFD here in case we fall in. We're not exactly slumming it with the lunches, but look at that, served on a rocky table. Campsite down below.